vacation. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Okay guys, so I'm walk, and after walk I think I'm gonna go to Best Buy to buy an iPhone. So yeah, give me 1 second. I'm trying to find another call. And right now, my mom over here is at the restroom. I literally just got off like 36 minutes ago. And we went to get food, and I think so after my brother finishes food, he's going to, we're all going to Best Buy. We might get a MacBook or an iPhone, we don't know yet, but we will see, hopefully, but I'm very excited, maybe.
Like it's been 20 minutes. Mario's doing an ASMR.
Oh my!
He broke it. Red light, you have to give him maps.
My new phone. Okay guys, so if you guys didn't hear me over there, I'm very happy. I got myself a new phone, and oh my god, I didn't know I would actually get a phone. I got the right phone, and love this white phone. This is the white case. Enjoy this video. This is my last time using this phone. You guys will get a new quality this phone because I cannot find my camera still, and I think I lost it. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 21. So see ya.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start